fix AirPlay on iPhone, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. Make sure you use the same Wi-Fi name. Okay, you can restart the device to make sure that there is no, or to force basically your iPhone to adapt to the new features. Okay, and of course don't forget to turn on the Bluetooth, right? If that doesn't work out, maybe you have a problem updating your software. So go ahead to the settings, general, software update. Inside, you're gonna check if your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Okay, so if it fails, if it still fails, check AirPlay settings in general, right? Stay in the general, find AirPlay in continuity, right? And make sure that automatic AirPlay is set to ask or automatic. Okay, so consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.